Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. Thank you so much for joining me here on this new video. I am going to go over some step-by-step how to get started in this business. A lot of people want to know how do you get leads, how do you drive traffic, how do you make money online, period. Okay, if you're new to this particular channel, definitely I'd like to say thanks, welcome, and glad to have you here. I'm going to help you today and show you exactly how you can get started in this business. Okay, now number one, what is making money online really about? Okay, in a nutshell, it's about you finding a product, okay, or service, okay, intangible, tangible, or service to be able to put it in front of people who you think, okay, are looking for this product. In other words, people have a problem and you have a solution and you're going to marry the two, okay? A problem could be people are not making enough money in their life, at their job. They need extra income. So they're looking for a way to make money and they've turned to the internet. They've turned to the mobile phones. They're looking, searching through countless websites and blogs, right? Looking for a way to make money online, and lo and behold, they stop by your YouTube channel or your blog, your website, maybe your Facebook, your Instagram, some social profile that you have where you are mentioning certain keywords like make money from home or something like that, okay? And because you have actually put yourself out there as a person who has a solution, okay, to their problem, they're interested. They're going to sit before you and they're going to actually watch to see what's going on. What do you have to offer them? What is the solution to their problem? This person, he needs or she needs money, and you are saying to them, hey, I got a way that you can make money, okay? So you're bringing the solution, okay, to the person who has the problem. Now, after that, you're going to give your pitch, okay? And once you give your pitch, the person is going to accept or they're going to reject. Okay, they're either going to accept it, they like what you're saying, they like what they're hearing, and they're going to go for it. You're going to give what's called a call to action. Okay, so somewhere on your page, on your website, on that product that you bought, if you've gotten with me and maybe you're in Digital Altitude with me, or maybe you're in one of the PayPal systems I'm in, you'll see normally on the bottom it'll say click this button, press this button, go here, do this, whatever, take action somewhere on the page, okay? So that's already there for you. That's your call to action, okay? That's what, that basically tells, said person that, hey, this is where I go in order to purchase this particular product so that I can receive my solution, okay? So after they hear their pitch, they're going to then take action, okay? They're then going to go to an order form, and they're going to receive some different instructions, and they're going to get some guarantees and these type of things to put them at ease. Maybe there's a little chat box in the bottom in case you need help or something like that, and the person can then go forward and whip out their credit card and go ahead and make their purchase. Okay, so this is what making money online is really about. Some people sell Amazon products, whether it's selfie sticks or reflector vests or potpourri pots or whatever the case may be, manuals on basket weaving. It doesn't matter. Whatever blue widget they have on Amazon, they're going to find an audience generally who are interested in purchasing that product because, again, it's solving some type of problem, fulfilling some type of need. Okay, so that's what you're here for. You're going to put yourself in front of other people who are looking to partner with you or join with you or buy from you something that you have said is going to fulfill their needs, okay, or solve a problem, okay, or both. So that is basically, in a nutshell, what making money online is. Now, for you to get started in this, okay, it takes some ingenuity. It's going to take some willpower. It's going to take some mental fortitude for you to start, start up. You're going to need some money. You're going to need some capital. This is investment capital. And any business, any joint venture, any type of business, you're going to partner with me, you're going to need some capital, okay? So it doesn't matter if, um, products say that they're free or they're on trial or they're $1 right now or they're, whatever. Eventually it's going to come around where you're going to have to invest in your business because just like, McDonald's, if you're buying a franchise, you're going to need some money to buy that McDonald's franchise. You're not going to be able to get things in life for free, okay? That's why people call people like that freeloaders. Freeloaders, meaning that they're looking to basically get everything for free and never give anything in return. Okay, we call those people freeloaders. You don't want to be in that category. Okay, you want to be the type of person that you come with the correct amount of money to fulfill whatever obligations you need to fulfill, so that you can now move forward and have that product, that service, that training, or whatever, to be able to start up your own investment. Okay, I mean, start up your own venture. Okay, that's what you want to do. You're going to start up your own business. Okay, but the only thing about it is this is online. Okay, so you're going to have your computer. If you got your tablet, if you have your phone, it's okay, but I recommend to have at least a tablet size or a computer. And I know that everybody is on their phone. That's fine. But if you're going to be a serious entrepreneur, get in front of a computer, get in front of at least a tablet, okay? Or a phablet, whatever you want to call it, a big phone, if you will, okay? And that way you can really start to, do the different things you need to do very quickly and not have a problem. I think sometimes these mobile phones are just too small to be able to watch videos on and do everything on, but you guys find a way, don't you? So anyway, that's the thing. Get yourself a computer and get in these programs that I'm promoting. Why? Because they're going to teach you every little detail to what I'm telling you right now, so that you can wrap your mind around it and you can get started. You're going to start collecting leads because you're in the lead generation business. Okay, let no one fool you. Let there be no mistake, no doubt about it. Let no one tell you different or otherwise. Okay, you are in the lead generation business, and that's the only thing that should be important to you in the very first stages of your business, is getting leads. Okay, so that means that you're going to either pay for them, or you're going to learn SEO, okay, search engine optimization, social media engine optimization, or Google search engine, Bing search engine optimization. Okay, Facebook, uh, Facebook optimization, YouTube optimization, Twitter, Instagram optimization. Okay, that is what you get inside these programs. They give you training to help you to learn these things, and that is your free route. Your free route is gonna take some time. Okay, it could be anywhere from a month to 3, 4, 5 years. It all depends on how much time you have to learn, implement, and succeed. Okay, to be successful, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a pro. You don't have to get to the first page of Google, but you need to get enough content out there that's going to drive enough business, enough viewers, I should say, and traffic to your product, so that you can make the type of money that you're looking to make. Okay, so if you're not making enough, that means you got to learn more tactics. You got to drive more leads. Okay, so how many leads all depends on how well your funnel converts. Okay, your funnel is your stage one to stage, whenever you complete, stage completion. So if you start off right here at your landing page, your squeeze page, all the way into the sales page, okay? And that could be basically the order form. And from everything in between here, okay, is your funnel. And how you set that up, how you figure that out, okay, based on the models that they teach you, okay, because you're going to get different models. And how that converts, that depends on how much money comes out on the back end. Now, over time, I've been doing this for like almost 9 years now. And over time, what's going to happen is you're going to learn how to tweak each area of your funnel to be able to make more money on the end, the back end, okay? The very last step, which is the order form, okay? After the order form, the person receives their product. Hopefully, they're satisfied, and you have a happy customer. Happy customer is always a great thing. So this is your funnel, okay? It starts from the top going on down, and that's just to help you understand, from the mindset that it's bigger up top, smaller on the bottom, because it's going to basically navigate people to this order form, but they can be coming in from multiple different places. So that's why it's larger at the top. They can be coming in from all different places, but eventually you're going to squeeze down and all hit the order page, okay? That one order page, boom. If you got multiple products, it doesn't matter. They all hit the order page, and boom, you make the sale. So that, in a nutshell, is what marketing online is really all about. Okay, now the details of how to learn SEO, which companies and websites should you go to invest your money in your business, to actually pay for traffic. All of those details are going to be found inside of the programs that I promote. They're labor intensive. They're going to take some time. They can't be shared on a one single YouTube video like I'm doing now. It wouldn't even I couldn't do justice, to any video. It would take hours upon hours. And it really takes you to spend days to go through the information to be able to digest it in these bite-sized morsels so that you don't have like an overload, okay? What they call information overload. And then what you do is you get frustrated, fried to the brain, and you want to quit, okay? Because, oh, it's just too much. It's too much for me to learn. It's just, it's over my head, whatever. So you got to take it in steps, and it's in, stair-step progression so that you actually can start putting the pieces of the puzzle together as you move up the steps, okay? That's what these systems are really about. They're there to help you learn in a certain way, just like you go from kindergarten up to 12th grade to college. You're going to go in order. You're not going to go from the first grade to the 7th grade back to the 3rd grade, that type of thing. You're going to go in order, okay? So everything has its order. If you go out of order, you can get all confused, okay? So they set up these membership sites to have these systems in place to take you from step 1 to step whatever, XYZ over here, so that by the time you get here, you basically, quote unquote, graduated, okay? And now you're able to put together this funnel. So, be in it for the long haul. Understand that this is not a game or something you can do overnight. If anybody could do it, everybody would. Everybody would be making money online. You wouldn't be searching, video after video. You'd be already making money. If everybody could do it, everybody would be doing it, and everybody could teach you easily, right? So it's not something that's just boom, snap, crackle, pop, into your morning. You have to basically, roll up your sleeves and invest in yourself to see how this is going to work. Okay, so and how it fits you, and how how well you get along with everything. Okay, so with that said, hopefully you have some understanding now, comprehension of the overview that I've just displayed. So what I want you to do right now is to get started from this very step 1 right here. Okay, you'll find a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link, place your email in on the next page. Okay, sign up, get started, and you'll be at step 1, and your journey begins now. Mike Internet Pro, I'm out.